Welcome everybody. Today we've got old Han Solo in his Bespin attire. Got the, give it a little more light there. It's fading out in the background. But I'd say he came with the old DL-44, which is standard issue for any Han Solo character. No details on the back, just some ridges through the cloth and his gun belt going there. The yellow stripes down the breeches. Boots, one karate chop hand and one blaster holding hand. Let's say that's excuse me, sort of like Lando from yesterday and what's coming up tomorrow, sort of the same thing. This was prime playtime for me. This was in the 7 to 9 year old range, so I was really going strong with the Star Wars stuff at this point. Going outside and setting up the battles and everything like they did in the commercials in the dirt. He was, but I say that's what I think ended up with 3 or 4 different Han Solos. So it's sort of no shortage of Han or Han. I think I always said Han, but that's I think they changed it up in the movies too. But I say no super. I say they're Star Wars characters. There's not a whole lot of great detail they put into them at this point. They were just trying to sell them for $3 a piece and make billions of dollars, which seemed to work out for George Lucas. But anyway, that's all I've got for old Han. That didn't sound right in my mind, but I think it is. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.